How to update Zelle phone number in Wells Fargo app. In order to update your Zelle phone number in Wells Fargo app, you will need to first of all open the Wells Fargo app and log into your account. After which you want to simply click on the menu bar at the bottom of the page. Next, you want to go ahead and click on the profile initials right over here. As you do it, you will simply want to go ahead and scroll down to the profile settings, and underneath you simply want to go ahead and click on contact information. As you are taken to the contact information, you'll then be directed to the next field where you could see update contact information. So here you want to click on the phone number. Now then, you have to go ahead and add a phone number, or once that you've added your phone number, you have to enable it in the Zelle as well. Once again, go back to a Wells Fargo app home screen and click on Pay and Transfer, which is right at the bottom. Now then, you have to go ahead and click or select Zelle from the list. As you select Zelle, the next screen you have to go and accept the terms and condition, all that. Once you've actually done it, you want to go ahead and select the phone number that you want to send. So you have to go ahead and add it, and you can also disable the phone number you no longer use on the same screen. So this way you'll be able to successfully change Zelle phone number in Wells Fargo app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.